Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Ball Z Infinite World on Android. Playing classic console games on your phone is totally possible thanks to emulation. You will need a special application, called an emulator, designed to mimic a PlayStation 2 console. Before you start, make sure your Android device has enough processing power and memory to handle the game smoothly. This ensures a great gaming experience right from the start. First, you will need to choose a reliable PlayStation 2 emulator for your Android device. Popular options include Etha SX2 and Daemon PS2, both offering good performance. Next, you will need to find the game's ROM file, which is essentially the digital version of Dragon Ball Z Infinite World. It is super important to download these files from trusted websites to keep your device safe from any unwanted software. Once you have your emulator and the game ROM, the next step is to install the emulator application on your Android phone. After installation, open the emulator and load the Dragon Ball Z Infinite World ROM file. You can then set up your preferred controls. Many players find that connecting a Bluetooth gamepad offers a much better experience than using the on-screen touch controls, giving you precise command over your character. To get the best performance, dive into the emulator's settings. You can often adjust things like resolution, frame skip, and other graphics options to match your phone's capabilities. For smoother gameplay, try closing any other applications running in the background to free up system resources. If you run into any issues, like slow performance or glitches, many online communities and guides are available to help you troubleshoot and optimize your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.